Good day, everybody. Today we are going to take a look at this test and go COVID-19 rapid antigen saliva test. So it's a whole test kit in one pack, and that's the instruction. This is to test your saliva. Okay. So in it, we have this is the meter, right? And then this is the bag to dispose of it, obviously biohazard. And then this is what you're supposed to spit into. This is the funnel. Yeah, this is the funnel, and then this is where your spit goes in. Alright, so let's try to put it together. So it's like this. So you gotta open this cap here. You gotta open the whole thing, including the purple top. And then the funnel goes in here and you spit into it. Yeah, spit into it and then close it. After you spit into it, you take it out, you close it, and then you shake it for a while. And then I'm going to open this later, yeah, and then put it together, put the spit into it, okay, just like that. So that's where the spit goes in, and then you wait for about 3 to 15 minutes, and you should get your result soon. All right, that's how you use a antigen test. So now I've got my spit in there, right? So you put it into that hole, 3 drops, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right, so we wait. It's been 15 minutes now, and we can look at the result. So if it's a double line, then it's positive, or a weak color at the bottom at T, and a C is positive as well. So these two will be positive, and if it's just one line, it's negative. And if it's at the bottom and without any line at the C area, it's invalid. That means it's either the test kit is there's some problem with the test kit, or it cannot detect anything. So you have to do another test again. So in this case, I've got a single line at C, which means it's negative. And stay safe, everyone. Make sure you wash your hands, don't go to crowded places, and be healthy.